Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about this MG4. What a fantastic car. I've been a lucky owner of it now for about 3 weeks, and to be honest with you, there's not really much I don't like about it. I think it's got a lot of spec that you would find on topper end models. One thing that really annoyed me was the fact that it doesn't have an electric tailgate release. Now, I have had a look at a few companies out there, and they want between £450 and £600 to have one retrofitted. Now, to me, I think I'd probably struggle with the keys, till I found on Amazon a mod for under £40, and it'll take you 5 minutes to fit. Let me show you. I'm going to go and grab some shopping. It's raining now, as well, it isn't actually, it's nice and sunny, but as you can see, both hands are on the box. I've got my hand on the button. We press the button. Look at that, under £40. Now, it's very simple to replace. Take the OEM struts off. It takes you 10 seconds on both sides to just pop it off, get someone to hold the trunk open for you, replace them, and there it is. It's not too heavy to pull down either. Pull down, push, just like normal. And if you want to, and you don't want to use the button on the key fob, just use it there. I shall put a link in the comments and in the description of where you can get these under £40. Brilliant. If you've got an MG4, you'll want these.